Alrighty guys, we're ready. We're gonna hit the road. Let's do it. Oh man, that breeze feels so good on a sweaty body. Can't believe how hot I am. Alrighty guys, the tour has started. Yesterday I did a little bit of riding around just to get a feel for the bike and a feel for riding here, but today we're touring. We're going out into the hills to visit some cool stuff. Stick with us, this is going to be absolutely amazing. So not only have we got bikes and drones up ahead leading us on this little adventure, but one of Bikes and Drones' friends from Melbourne, Australia, that he's known for about 30 odd years, is here riding with us as well. He's on the little scooter there. And that thing gets up and boogies and dragged me off, I tell you. This is the Vietnam that I came to see. Whilst Ho Chi Minh City was awesome to see, the traffic and madness there would drive me nuts if I stayed for too long. The rural countryside of Vietnam is the real reason I came here. Riding through the stunning scenery once we get out of the city areas is what I wanted to see. The stunning scenery, the unique history, it's going to be pretty amazing. Have a look at that. Look at the mountains up there, the river, amazing. This is beautiful. Lovely country. The road here is so smooth. This part is anyway. This is the smoothest road I've seen in Vietnam so far. Wow. So I'm pretty sure this is the Perfume River, named by the French when they were occupying Vietnam. I felt for sure I was doing about 100 kilometers an hour on this thing. It feels like I'm absolutely flying, but I'm only doing about 70 kilometers an hour. Just not used to feeling that wind hitting me in the chest and being on such a small bike with nothing in front of me. Wow, this is beautiful. We're on the road again, riding through Vietnam, we're on the road again. Wow, we've come up and over the pass now, been going uphill for quite a while. Now we're heading back down to try and look at the scenery, look at the road. I certainly don't want to ride through here at a fast pace, just concentrating on the road. I want to be taking this scenery in because I'm never going to be here again. This is pretty cool. Some of it looks like Australia, but then you come around the corner and you go bang. Yeah, that's not quite Australia. Wow, look at the mountains. I love the little kids, they all like to wave at us. Oh, where are we going here? Oh, we've got Dang Kong San Vietnam Quang Vinh Mon Nam. Look at that, just following the river, this is pretty cool. Hello! That's a traditional style community house. So Vietnamese traditional styled community house. Ooh. Oh. Causeway's missing. Oh, we're going. We're doing it. We're adventurers, goddammit. Where we're going, we don't need roads. This is worthy of a photo, maybe?
Sure.
Hello. Hello. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Toto. Well, this was a cool little spot to stop. All the kids up on the bridge waving at us saying, hello, hello. It's the only thing they know how to say in English. The little goats. Very cute goat.
We've got 10 k's of nice road. Go as fast as you can. I'm telling you.
This is awesome. How cool is this? Nice smooth road. Oh, wow, this is absolutely awesome. Beautiful countries, nice smooth curving road. Oh my god. Not many people think of Vietnam as a motorcycling destination, but I can tell you, this is an amazing place to ride a motorcycle. Wow. Oh wow. That is awesome. Oh, is it? Oh yeah.
Khe Sanh.
Yeah.
And maybe beyond. So we're doing great time. Everything's going well.
Yep.
I see you've got your confidence on the tyres and the bike.
Yeah, there's one corner I made a meal of it.
Well, only when you looked in the mirrors.
Yeah.
Speed was quite fast there, mate. In the second half particularly.
Yeah, I had a flow going on there for a while,
Yeah.
and then I stopped to look at the scenery a little bit and lost that rhythm. But no, I loved that. That was awesome.
How far are you now?
Alrighty guys, look at this magnificent piece of tarmac. We are now on the Ho Chi Minh Highway. Apparently it's the western Ho Chi Minh Highway. There's the western one and the eastern one. The eastern one is where all the trucks and everything go, the main traffic going up and down the coast. But this one's more rural, but kept in really good condition because the Ho Chi Minh Highway is somewhat of their national pride. And it's looked after in all these little hill tribes and villages. People just maintain it every time there's landslides and stuff like that. We're heading towards Khe Sanh. Americans might know Khe Sanh too, but it holds a bit of special significance to Australians because there's a popular Australian song by Cold Chisel called Khe Sanh. So we're on our way up there to check out Khe Sanh, and we might even sing some Cold Chisel. Yeah, you wait there, sunshine. For some reason people keep staring at me. I can't work out why. Could be the jacket, the helmet with the video camera hanging off the front of it, the fact that I'm wearing jeans, boots. Whoa, holy cow. Not sure what they got going on over here. They're drying some grains out on the footpaths everywhere. They got these ones on the road. I don't know what they are, some sort of grain. Have a look at that. That is awesome. And this is not even the best scenery yet. It's going to get better. Whee! Holy crap, that's a long way down there. Wow.
Is that road more to your liking, sir?
That was awesome.
Yeah, we've got miles and miles and miles of that.
Hello. Motorbike. Hello. Hey. That was cool. Have a look at that. That is wicked. Right next to the road. Got a beautiful waterfall just pouring off the side of the hill. Look at the views out there. That is awesome. Just goats wandering along the road in the middle of nowhere. Crazy. Ah, it's corn. Corn that's come off the cob. That's what it is drying on the side of the road everywhere. Look at that, would you? That is pretty amazing. This piece of road is awesome, just following this river along. It's so scenic through the valley here with all the mountains along each side, and look how thick and dense that jungle is. We're still on the way to Khe Sanh. We've still got, I don't know how far it is now, we must be getting close. We would have been well and truly there over this distance in Australia, but you just can't do those sort of speeds here. This is an awesome route though. There's hardly a straight bit of road. It's just turn after turn through all these little villages. You've got cows and chickens and goats on the side of the road, children. You come around the corner and there'll be a scooter parked on the side of the road, like half out on the lane. It's pretty crazy. It's good kind of crazy though. It's insane in a good way, this country. I love it. Need fuel?
Oh, just 1 litre, just to remove my fuel anxiety.
Yeah. This is how you get fuel in rural Vietnam. took us 45 kilometres to Khe Sanh. Last time I looked it was 70 something. I thought, oh yeah, we should be nearly there by now, but no, we've only done about 30 kilometres. These little villages all the way along here are pretty awesome. So cool. There's little shacks everywhere. People's homes. You saw them in Australia, you'd think they were just abandoned shacks, but people live in them here, provide a happy home. Look at these villages. Crazy stuff. Holy shit, wow. That was an awesome view through there. Now, fires up there on the hillside, check that out. Goat herder. Seen a few goat herders just running their goats up and down the road here. Oh, look at this. This big bridge. Oh look, another bridge. Bridgey bridge. Woo. Wow, that is gorgeous scenery. Look up in there, water flowing, cascading over the waterfall. That is magic. 8 kilometres to Khe Sanh. The last plane out of Sydney's almost gone. Lao Pao Special Economic Commercial Area. Oh, that was close. Oh, bloody rooster, what a cock. There's a few structures out through here, that might be left over from the war. So we're at Khe Sanh at the moment, going to go to the old military base, which is now a museum. Yeah, you've got some bunkers over here.